Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll have a look at Lambo investing on waves. To be honest, I shied away from this offer simply because of the name. But then one of our subscribers asked me about it and I did my research. I was pleasantly surprised. Let's go over Lambo investing and why I think it's a better investing product than other offers on Waves Exchange. On their website, you will find all the investment products they offer. I have tried LP staking and algorithmic trading in the past. With LP staking I was very happy and made a nice return when the staking rate was even a little bit higher. The problem with algorithmic trading is that it's very risky. You will see it when we take a look at the chart. It had some heavy drawdowns in the last months, and you would have lost money in the short term. I withdrew my money after a while because I thought the risk is getting too high. Even though they have 3 different risk models, they all experience the same price drop. If we compare that to Lambo investing, the chart looks much better. We're gradually going up, with only small drawdowns here and there. In case you want to learn more about Waves Exchange and how we did in the past, check out our other videos. I've used this exchange for many years now and I've never had any issues. As you can see, we started with $10,000 about a month ago. In exchange for 4,608 Lambo tokens. You can invest by using Tether or USDC. To summarize, after 1 month we already made a small profit of $200. But for this investment, your time horizon should be 3 to 12 months. This way you avoid the drawdowns and are more likely to hit the target APY. If you want to unstake your tokens, that takes around 2 weeks. Let us know in the comments what you think of this investment product. As always, please hit the like button and consider subscribing.